Okay, so let's talk about the Hatch Restore 2. I've been using this thing for a while now, and I gotta say it's pretty slick. It's not just an alarm clock, it's like a whole sleep system disguised as a stylish bedside gadget. This putty color? Super chic, blends in seamlessly with any decor. First off, the sunrise alarm. Game changer. Instead of being jolted awake by a blaring siren, you gently ease into your morning with a gradually increasing light that mimics a natural sunrise. It's surprisingly effective, and I've noticed I wake up feeling way more refreshed. You can customize the color and intensity of the light, which is a nice touch. Then there's the sound machine aspect. It's got a ton of options, from white noise and pink noise to nature sounds and even guided meditations. I'm a big fan of the rain sounds, super soothing. And the sound quality is actually really good, not that tinny, artificial sound you get with some cheaper sound machines. But the real magic of the Hatch Restore 2 is the customizable sleep routines. You can create your own personalized wind-down routine with different combinations of light, sound, and even little breathing exercises. I've set mine up so that the light slowly dims, mimicking a sunset, while playing calming nature sounds. It really helps signal to my brain that it's time to sleep. The display is digital and auto-dimming, which is great. No annoying bright light in the middle of the night. It's also compact, only about 5 inches tall, so it doesn't take up a ton of space on my nightstand. It's corded electric, so you don't have to worry about batteries, which is a plus for me. Now, it's not perfect. It is a bit of an investment, but honestly, for the improvement in my sleep quality, I think it's worth it. Also, the touch controls can be a little finicky sometimes. But overall, I'm really impressed with the Hatch Restore 2. If you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, or just want to wake up feeling more energized, I definitely recommend checking it out. It's become a staple in my bedtime routine, and I don't see myself going back to a regular alarm clock anytime soon. It's definitely a step up from just using my phone, that's for sure. It feels much more intentional and less like I'm bringing the stresses of the day into my sleep sanctuary. So yeah, 2 thumbs up for the Hatch Restore 2.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.